Hey guys, today we're filming a video about my Quaker parrot. I think my parrot is a Quaker parrot. Well, my parrot, the first thing parrots can learn, especially the Quaker parrot, is how to talk. My parrot only knows how to say 2 words in Spanish, but I can tell you them in English, I think. The first one is kisses, and the second one is guessing, I don't know. I don't remember. Now, he has these beautiful black eyes and that peach beak. She has a white belly, green feathers, well, almost blue feathers. Look at that. That's always fun to see, blue feathers. She likes to eat melons. She also loves to eat dun dun dun, not the leaves that my turtle eats. If you've seen the previous videos, my redfoot, not those kind of leaves. Grass. I think this is called tall grass. Feeding action. She loves to eat it. She grabs it with her hands and she dropped it. Well, that was a mistake. Look. Let me zoom out. I have to be careful because she can still bite. Jump. Look. She eats. Are those nuts? Zooming. Yep, those are definitely nuts. She drinks water from here. She has to climb to drink water. That's always nice seeing her climb and play with the toy. Oh, yeah. Come on. Coti. We just named her Coti. That's the best name we could find her for a parrot. And also, money. Shush! She's also loud. She's looking at me like... I like her when she puts her skin furry. Like that. But she could be skinnier. Her skin is just fluffy right now, I think. She's being older and older each day. I don't understand you. Maybe Lily can understand you. I'm talking to Coti. Don't worry. I can understand human talk. She likes to swing there. And she likes to climb on top of Money. Money is a monkey, which Ron gave me. I said it in my first ever video on this channel. She loves her toys. She just adores them. I'm just gonna be sitting in the couch, hanging out with my maracas. I don't even know if this is a maraca. My couch. Okay, now I'm gonna show you Coti again. Done. I actually don't know what that white stone is for. If anybody knows, put. Can I please stop myself? Stop, Kevin. Okay. Well, put in the comments, in the comments, put what that stone is for. I actually don't know. Well, she loves to be handled. No, not by me. She can go on people's arms. She can climb too. She can kind of fly. She can also scream so loud we can hear her about 10 or 12 feet away. I don't know. Well, then she doesn't like being close to other animals that much. Once Lily tried walking up to her and Goldie just attacked her. So Lily went inside the shell. Good. Then we took Lily back. Actually, Goldie just attacked her once because Goldie was scared and then Goldie ran away. So that's all you need to know about Goldie. Peace out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.